Okay, girl, so one thing we know for sure, XrsBeauty is going to come through with the clutch, honey. This is their pre-plucked, clean hairline, clear lace frontal wig, baby. And like always, they come through with the pre-plucked hairline, bleached knots, clear lace, meltdown lace, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be giving natural hair vibes all day long. So let's get into it. So first of all, to secure my wig down, I'm going to pull out some of the baby hairs. Now, like I said earlier, they did go ahead and pluck the hairline. So this is literally one of those wigs where you can put it on and go. There's no bleaching, there's no plucking, there's no customization that needs to be done to install this wig. You can simply secure it down by using some holding spray, glue, or nothing at all, child. Okay, so now that I have removed the lace, I'm going to go in and part my hair. So I'm going to be doing a curved C-part just because I've been like really catching a vibe with the side parts lately. So yes, girl, I'm going to be doing another curved part wig install. Now this wig is a light yaki texture. Y'all know I have fallen in love with this texture because it's on the full side, but it's not too thin, but it's not too much hair. Like the kinky texture hair can just be way too much hair at times. So this is perfect. And I also love how much hair that they have plucked on the front of this wig because it makes it perfect for the curved part that I'm going for today. Okay, so I got my hairline exactly how I want it to be. I got my baby hairs pulled out. I got my lace secure, and I'm just going to go in and tie my hair down. And this is just going to give a more melted effect where that lace is super blended and everything just looks really nice and neat. Also, this helps secure the wig down even more while you are styling the hair. So now that I have the hairline pressed out and everything is smooth and flat, I'm going to go in with a curling iron and add some curls to this side part wig. melted this lace is. Like, you literally cannot see the lace. You literally cannot tell this is a lace frontal wig. This shit is crazy. Like, XRS Beauty is like, they just sick with it. They know what they doing. They did not come to play with the girls at all. If you want you a guaranteed melted bust down wig where you ain't gotta do nothing, XRS Beauty is the way to go. So of course I'm gonna go ahead and start laying down my baby hairs. This was so easy to do, y'all, because this wig came pre-plucked. The amount of hairs that was thinned out made it so easy to achieve the perfect baby hairs. Like, y'all, XRS Beauty is just doing their thing. They in their own lane, I promise you. And to finish off the look, I'm just going to, of course, add some concealer because that's going to emphasize that part, honey, and just make the wig look better, in my opinion. So yeah, girl, this is pretty much the final look. The curls really didn't last too long in this wig, and I'm sure it's because the texture of this hair. So honestly, I feel like this texture is better if you set your curls or if you just wear the hair straight. But y'all, the hairline on this wig is so beautiful. I don't even care that the curls did not last long in this wig. So of course, I'll make sure I leave all the details on this beautiful wig from XRS Beauty below. Bye, girls.